Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir Madam. I'm Sharon Mendoza Manzano, 36 years old, from Philippines, high school graduate, a single mom with one kid, and I work as a housemaid here in Philippines for 2 years, and I serve 3 members of the family, a couple, and a 5 years old child. My duties is cooking, cleaning, ironing, and taking good care of child. And I have worked in Saudi Arabia for 2 years as on-call cleaner.
If you get hired, who will take care of your kid?
My family.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Do you know how to shower a baby?
Yes.
If the children are very naughty, what will you do?
I will talk to them nicely and play with them.
Do you have patience with the children?
Yes.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To help my family and for the school needs of my son.
If the baby is sick, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and I will call my employer.
If you get homesick, what will you do?
I will call my family.
Can you sing any nursery song?
Yes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and mouth and ears and nose and eyes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No.
Do you have food allergy?
No.
What kind of food can you cook?
I know how to cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Can you accept a day off but to be paid by your employer?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of another person, an assistant with all the needs?
Yes.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I am a happy person and hardworking, and I'm willing to learn my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.